Now you're watching, recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel present. GansTiank 12V 3000A car battery jump starter, 3000A portable car jump starter with intelligent repair mode and emergency power supply. This 3000A portable car jump starter is a powerful and reliable emergency solution designed to start vehicles even under extreme conditions. With a peak current of 3000A and a built-in boost function, it can instantly start gasoline engines up to 7.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters, even in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius or when the battery is severely drained. Engineered with multiple intelligent safety protections, including reverse polarity, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overcharge safeguards, it ensures safe and worry-free operation. The intelligent repair mode automatically detects battery health and applies pulse repair to restore performance and extend battery life. An integrated LED emergency light and USB charging make it an essential roadside companion. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.